On visnos.com, there's a fun way to have a look at supplementary angles. So you can see that they'll always add up to that 180 turn or 180 angle will add up to 180 degrees. So it's possible to have more angles in it. You can add them in, yeah. Yep. Yep. I've got more angles and it still adds up to 180 degrees, even if I turn it around. So now you can see. And if I get the dice and roll it, it means I can try different angles, new numbers. So you see, again, all of them are supplementary angles and add up to 180 degrees. Now, if I wanted to work out the answer, what could I do? I could go 180 degrees, work backwards, minus 11, or off 11, take off 11, equals what? I forgot. 169 degrees. So now you know what is supplementary angles.